So I always wanted experience. So with this co-op placement, they teach me this in class, and then I go to my clinic and I see it, which boosts me to ask questions. I'm like, oh, I learned this in class, but I see you doing differently, which just, they tell on me that there's a difference. There's a textbook setting, and then there is a real world setting. Before going into my co-op, I was for sure knowing that I wanted to become a physiotherapist. But now it's made me open my eyes to the possibility of there can be more, because I have seen something about myself. I like the office, but also being in the field, always on the move. And it just like kind of gets me curious and just make me want to explore to see what more options that I can get. Like maybe instead of becoming a physiotherapist, I can become an athletic therapist. Or if I can even become both. I was in a class and there was an email drop that they're looking for student trainers for the school's varsity team. So at first I'm like, oh my God, no, I'm so busy, I'm so occupied, I can't do it. But then I actually went, so I dropped by, and from there I just got interested. I saw that I had the qualifications to be a student trainer. I joined the student trainer team in my second year, and from there I helped Jo. So Joanna, she's the athletic therapist for the whole team. So I just kind of helped her during the summer, and that was the women's basketball team. So when the summer was over and like school resumed, so this is full-on practice, full-on games, I was just like, I'm gonna stay with the women's team. I like them, they're awesome, they're amazing, they're nice, their practices, so it engages me so much. And I was like, since I'm doing my co-op in Thunder Bay and their schedule aligns perfectly with me, I am just going to continue going with that. So it's been a back-to-back experience for me, having to all day work treating patients and also like having to stay with the team. It's just kind of you. Sometimes the athletic therapist comes to join and sometimes she doesn't. So it's like she trusts you, but then it's also you trusting yourself. Okay, if something was to happen, do you think you can handle it? So having to go for my co-op, learning, it just builds more confidence to be like, yeah, I can stay here alone. Yeah, I can take care of the team. If anything was to happen, I have the first basic knowledge to know what to do. That just, built trust in me, in which the athletic therapist saw and is like, yeah, Teni, you have it handled. Teni, you got this. It's a huge part of my studying and experience, especially like having to go to class, learning, having to go there, and it's just like you get to meet new people, you get to make connections, you get advice from people that are much older, from people that already walked the step that you're about to, which is never a disadvantage. So if you're thinking of co-op, go for it.